What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they're attacking Boss the New Link from New Link Production. So right now, people, I want to talk about this, and it's the sad passing, people, of the Jamaica Constabulary Force member, you understand, which is the police who was involved in an accident on Thursday, people. You know what I mean? And it's just really sad to know that this man was on his job, people, when this accident occurred, and boy, he never make it, people. Him drop out. So now I'm just going to read this article, people, and just pay my tribute towards this officer, because you don't know, people, we have to big up the police them when them are do the right. You understand? Yeah, man, we have to show them love and them respect, because you don't know, say, them are ensure and provide the safety to our people in Jamaica. So let us read this thing, people, and give our tribute to Mr. Morrison. Yeah, man. 24-year-old Constable Fabian Morrison, who died yesterday in a motor vehicle collision, is being hailed by colleagues as an outstanding cop. And this occurred, people, on Thursday, you understand, the 10th of December 2020. Morrison, who would have celebrated his second year in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, next month, was lauded for his dedication to the job for the short span of his service. Constable Morrison graduated from the National Police College of Jamaica in January 2019, and in the short time he has served, he has proven himself to be an asset to the Constabulary Force through his dedication and commitment to his duties. Read a statement released by the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit shortly after Morrison was confirmed dead at hospital. Police report that at about 8:10 a.m., Morrison was driving a police service motorcycle along Camp Road, and upon reaching the Arnold Road intersection in the vicinity of the main entrance to the Jamaica Defence Force JDF headquarters, a female motorist turned suddenly into the path of the motorcycle, resulting in the collision. Morrison received multiple injuries after being flung from the motorcycle. A team of JDF paramedics took him to Kingston Public Hospital, where he died while undergoing treatment. The female motorist involved in the collision was not reported to have received any serious injuries and is currently in custody. Meanwhile, Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, has extended his condolences to the JCF and Morrison's family. The loss of life of any police officer in the line of duty is always a matter of profound sadness. We urge motorists and pedestrians to exercise vigilance and extreme caution on the road, Chang said in a statement yesterday. He said the JCF's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement branch, of which Constable Morrison was a member, will continue to maintain and develop proactive road policing activities to assist in reducing casualties. The Police High Command also offered condolences to Morrison's family, friends and colleagues, and said the JCF chaplaincy and welfare units have been providing support to his family and colleagues. Jaja. So viewers and subscribers, it's really sad, you know? For know that this man was on duty and things just got away. But in the end, people, it happened, and all you can say, boy, you know, all I can say just have to pay my condolences, and I'm really sorry about the passing. And I can't say why the girl never was looking or what, because honestly, I don't know exactly what went on. I wasn't there, people, but them say she just make a sudden turn on him, and you know, he have on his helmet, people, because you know, so these police, them are ride with them helmet, they not ride without them helmet, which they can't do, and which them not supposed to do. So he have on his helmet, and he still managed not to survive. So I'm saying maybe this girl was going with a speed or something, because you know, I heard he was on duty, he was working, you get me? I say he was doing something where he was leading somebody and thing, and boy, it's just sad, people, to be honest. So from me, New Link Production, man, I just want to pay my condolences to the family, you understand, to the friends of this police officer, and may his soul rest in peace, you know. And boy, I'm telling the people, I tell about motorcycle long time, so that's something what me not like, you know. I mean, me just not like, and you will never see me take up one and say I going to ride it. To be honest, people, I don't have a problem with people riding it, but all I can say is be careful, because honestly, I can't stop people from doing them really love, you know. And some people just love these things, you know. So me can't come and say, yo, don't ride that, don't do this, you know what I mean. All I can say is be careful wear a helmet at all times, you know, even though you can dead while have on the helmet and thing, people, because you see this police have on his helmet and him no make it, you know what I mean, but it's still a chance where you can survive by the help of the helmet. So it's better to have it than not to have it. That's all I can say. And in Jamaica for this year 2020, people, we have seen where many life has lost, you know, pertaining to motorcycle accident in Jamaica. I'm not just talking about police, because even a couple months ago, a police officer from Upper St. Andrew people that passed away. Same way, the one where they see them have the big gun salute and something at the 9-night and something foreign people. And you know what I mean? Other police do pass away and things pertaining to motorcycle and thing. And you have a lot of civilians in Jamaica, people who passed away, especially down on the western side of Jamaica with motorcycles. So the motorcycle thing, man, is not a thing what me love. And me no love it. Me hate it, people. For be honest, me hate it. Me never like see them on TV. Me not like see them naturally. You know what I mean? Me no love it, people, because me know how dangerous it is. And the other day I said something to somebody and he said the same way I can die in a motorcycle are the same way I can dead in a car and chucking or anything. But me say, to be honest with you, you know, I know it's the same thing and the same way, but look at it. I think I know that the car has a better chance of survival than the motorcycle. You get me? I say, because 80% or 90% of the time you hear say there's a motorcycle accident, people, somebody die. You understand? So it's not a joke thing, man. And what me always say, lot of motorists out there, it's not, you know, like when you don't pay attention and expect say a car there, you see the car big and bold in your face, them not have that caution there when it come on to motorcycle, people. You get me? So they don't have that caution, and some people definitely don't respect motorcycles because them say bike man love this, bike man love that, bike man love BHO traffic and this and that, and you know. But in the end, we are all motorists on the road. Whether you have a motorcycle, whether you have your bicycle, whether you have a car or truck, you know what I mean. So we have to just always look out. Because it could be a pedestrian or walk same way, you know, so we always have to be vigilant and always have our eyes open and stay focused on the road, you know what I mean. Some people intend to not pay attention on the road and pay attention to something else, and in the end can cost people life, you know. So again, man, to the whole Jamaica Constabulary Force, man, and you know what I mean, according to people, this police, he just started his career, you know, man just was 24 years old, just got serve him 2 years next month, you know what I mean, in the force and thing, people, young squaddy, you know. So it's really sad, and I understand how his family must feeling right now, especially if you have any youth or anything, your wife or fiancé or spouse, anything, how they must cope in, they must be less stressed out and everything with this, because in the end, people, you know, when it's coming down to the closure of 2020, when Christmas is coming up and thing, where you should be there with the family, you know what I mean, drink up some sorrel and hug up your family, eat some Christmas cake and thing, in the end, you have to be preparing to bury your loved one who should have been there around that table with you all. So, you know, it's really sad, people. And as I said again, man, may his soul rest in peace and fly high, squaddy. You know, fly high and ride in heaven. That's all a New Link can say. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is the Attacking Boss, people, and you don't know once this is something where we have to cover and pay our tribute to the Attacking Boss of the people, and I just more love and more respect, and everyone out there just be great, be safe, and protect yourself out there, because it's not an easy road, people. Remember what you're telling already, you know, it's not an easy road. Peace out. Attack. Remember to do. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so as Attacking Boss drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter, New Link Production. Remember, people, a lot of video I can't post on YouTube, they're right over there on my Instagram. So make sure you're following the Instagram, and I appreciate everyone who I see being following the Instagram, people. You know, thank you all. Thank you so much. Peace out, and please make we finish 2020 good, not in a bad way. Attack.